How to clone app on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down and click on dual messenger. After click on dual messenger, so if you want to clone apps, so turn on this button and click on install. You will see so please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.